miss me? Huh? Say it in my good ear. Oh, okay. Hey guys! My name is Estä and I am also known as Bunny, aka Bun, aka Bun Bun, aka Bun. And welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber, hey, what's up? To my OGs, you know, I gotta prep y'all. Cause you know, y'all like, sis, where you at? Sis, where you at? And here's my story. So I'm just gonna give you a quick update. Just a quick update before we get into the video, right? Just a little snippet. All right, so I remember the last time I posted, it was about like 3 months ago, and I feel that's when my last retightening was, or I did a retightening after that, and then I didn't do a retightening after that, and then I was stuck with my hair for about a good month trying to do my retightening, and then my calendar got really booked, and it came to a point where I am not taking any more installs nor transfers, even sister lock transfers, okay? Even though I wasn't on here physically, I was showing my work. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I do have my personal Instagram and also my work Instagram, which is my business, and you can see all my content there. If I'm not here majority of the time, as in on YouTube, you can always find me on my Instagram, and the Instagram that I'm mostly on is my business one, because I'm on there almost every single day. Okay, you can see my bald-headed ass there if you really do miss me. If you don't, hey, it's okay, boo. It's good, we good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video, because I know y'all like, sus, we haven't had an update in a minute, and what's poppin', what's tea, what's good, what's Gucci. I'm about to tell you, okay? I am 2 years, 8 months, and 18 days DIY microlocks. Yes, these are DIY microlocks. Two of my friends helped me with the back of my head. I did the front of my head. It took about a month and 2 weeks to install. So I do have a background story on it. It's down below in the description box. You can go ahead and watch it. It's mad funny. You already know. I just finished my retightening yesterday. I believe I was about a good 11 weeks post, and that's really horrible, okay? Very bad. My hair really showed its ass for this retightening, I can tell you. Majority of the time I do pass my retightening, and I am trying my best to stay on a schedule. I put myself on my calendar for me to do my retightening, and those days I actually take off for myself and don't do my hair because my hands hurt, or I just don't want to do the hair. Like, I just didn't want to like high-five the Sailor Man up here and flapping my hands and doing all of this at that moment. So I'll just be like, I'm gonna do it next week, I'm gonna do it next week, I'm gonna do it next week, and next week becomes 11 weeks, okay? The front of my hairline, I had to repair a lot of my locks, okay? Some of them was hanging by 3 strands. I have no idea how the French toast that happened, but my scalp was really talking to me this time, okay? I'm going to come for those that are behind on their retightening, okay? If you have not done your retightening and you say that you're gonna do it, this is the video that's going to motivate you to do it, okay? Do your hair, do your retightening now. Do not pass your retie, okay? Please do not pass your retightening schedule, because it'll be harder on the loctician, and then if you do it yourself, you're gonna be like, bruh, why did I do this to myself? I told myself I'm not gonna do this, but I ended up doing it again. And guess what? I lost a whole lot from it. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Half of the lock is gone compared to his cousin right here. Exhibit A. I'm gonna stop talking because I know what you really came here for. I just had to give you a little quick rant of what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you my fresh retie, because sis don't know how to act. Listen, it's been 11 whole weeks, okay? And I am soaking all of the freshness. Yeah. Alright, so this is a headband thing. It's not really a ponytail because baby, it'll be too tight. Okay. Y'all ready? This is what my hair looks like after my fresh retie. I haven't washed my hair yet. I did wash my hair 2 weeks before I started doing my retightening, so I don't really need a wash per se. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 360. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification on to get alerts whenever I post a video. I'm not gonna say nothing, but there is a styling video coming up soon. I mean, if you have your bell notification on, you would know. So that's through the grapevine. Other than that, I appreciate all of my OGs for hanging in there with me, and to my new subscribers, I appreciate you. And also, I just wanted to say something else. If you have not started your Microloc journey and you're thinking about it, go ahead and do it. Just make sure you stay on your retie schedule, okay? All right. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.